let's go into this Perry 50-foot.
Hello, welcome home.
Thank you.
What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah? As you come on through, one of the things you can, well, you already pointed into the office, so let's start here.
Let's start.
This is, I love the built-ins. I love this green. You'll see it carried throughout. That's one of the things that's nice about when you're designing your home is to carry a theme throughout, whether it's color, you know, all that sort of thing, just ties everything together.
Yeah.
It's one of the things that all the designers always point out, but when you walk in, look at how tall these ceilings are. Just gives you that grand entrance.
Cool. Yeah.
I was talking to a client earlier today before we got here, and one of the things that they wanted is that open and grand. That's why they love Perry homes.
Yeah.
In their two-story designs is that, you know, you got that breezeway and all that good stuff. But as you come through, you've got a powder bath with that same green.
Nice.
Yeah, so that's where all your guests are going to be using. This is the laundry room. But what I like about this, you can slide this over just a tad and you can put a fridge in, be perfect. Again, never too much refrigeration. And then here's a secondary bedroom downstairs or a guest room, however you want to configure it with its own ensuite.
Nice to have your own ensuite for sure.
What do you think of the tile?
Here's what I think of this tile. I'm gonna open up this door for you. Now, I don't get, see these 3 tiles right here? I don't understand it. Like why those are there and they're nowhere else. It's kind of a weird thing to me. Anyways.
Yeah, but designers tend to be a little braver than most. But as you come on through, ignore this. This would be your garage, right? Here's your stairway. As you come through, look at this. Now this house is almost 3,600 square feet.
Yeah.
So you got plenty of space to grow into. Formal dining, we're seeing a lot more formal dinings kind of coming back.
We are,
and then new construction. People want that family time, right? Everybody's on their phones, all that stuff. That's that time to spend together as a family. Everybody's so busy these days.
Yes. Look at how big this room is.
And speaking of family, this is the family room.
Look at how tall these ceilings are. And look at that wall space. Holy moly.
Yeah, you could put all your artwork for days on this.
You could, for
right?
sure.
So not only do you have your formal dining, but you also have your informal, kind of your breakfast area right here as well, which is still great because it's all open. So what I picture and how we would probably use it is those Thanksgiving, those Christmas holidays. You know, you kind of get your kids' table and then the adults, right? But everybody's still kind of together.
I know, you just made me realize we don't have any kids anymore. All our kids are in their 20s now. Holy moly, how sad.
Look, I love the cabinetry. This is obviously for those cooking sheets and all that good stuff.
Yes.
Right? See, I know, Patrice.
Good job, you're learning.
Look at this, you've got that fancy with your sponges and all that good stuff. It's got your drawers underneath for your pots. Good quality, you could tell.
Yes.
Right? I just love how it accents the whole thing. It's a nice.
The darker cabinets are starting to come back in style.
Yeah, they're showing this as a 3-bed island. I would say it's 4. Oh, I forgot to tell you, speaking of that.
But you have a lot of space on this, even with the sink in it.
You know, everybody's always looking for all those places to put all your fine dining stuff and all that stuff that you're not going to use on a regular basis. Well, they took care of it for you. They thought of everything.
Or extra paper plates for some.
Or extra paper plates. Whatever floats your boat.
That's right.
Here's the snack closet, decent size.
Yes.
Right?
I love that they've put the edge on here, which is nice, just a little nice finishing touch.
You know what? It's big enough to hold everything that you need and not big enough to where everything goes to waste and you end up with a whole bunch of expired goods,
you forget
right?
that you have stuff.
How many times have we done that?
Yes.
Now, before we get into the primary, let's take a look at this outside, because once you get to this level, like you said, you're looking at that 50-foot lot is kind of your minimum size to do a pool. Now this has got a huge patio, which is really, really cool.
Yeah, this is really nice.
It's got 2 ceiling fans. You
It
could
does.
probably even have 3 if you wanted.
Look at how big that is. Yeah, that's a large space.
Place for your TV.
Yep.
You know, you could put a hot tub right here if you wanted. You can have your outdoor kitchen. You can do whatever you want. And then you have plenty of space to put in a pool.
Yeah. Trampolines, kids' play areas, kind of whatever you want to do, you could do. We have a lot of clients that like the raised planter beds and things. So you got a lot of room.
You can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
You know, the main thing is that in Mosaic, it's all about the amenities. It's all about the quality of life, that resort style living. That's what this offers you.
Yes.
And this thing is incredible. Look at the house right behind us. Look at that thing. That's a ballin' house, right? That's gonna be kind of on part 2. You're gonna have to subscribe.
That's right.
You're gonna have to definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on the following weeks when we do the bigger lots.
The bigger lots, yes.
So let's go take a look at that primary and then we'll get upstairs.
Okay.
As you step on through, love the shiplap, love the beams. You know how we feel about beams.
We are beam people.
Again, look at the size. Now that we're stretched out a little bit more, you got almost a 4,000 square foot house. Now you're talking about 6 to 7 feet right here on either side of the bed.
Plenty of room for some seating over here.
Yep, 3 big windows pouring in that natural light and a double door. Remember how I talked about that, you know, those smaller doors?
These are them.
This is them.
But there's plenty of room to get through.
Now, what I love about this one is not only do you have space to put Patrice's good old famous area rugs, but if you wanted a hot tub, you're not sacrificing the shower size.
And if you want a hot tub,
hot tub.
You're
I keep
gonna
saying
put a
hot
hot
tub.
tub in one of these bathrooms yet.
I tell you what though, how many people are taking baths in cold water?
That's true. Good
Right?
point.
So hey, that's my defense.
But a hot tub would be a kind of a cool idea.
Wouldn't it? I
That would
wonder
be.
if you can do something like that.
I don't know. I guess if you're accustomed.
That'd be badass. All right, take a look at this. I mean, it's plenty of size, right? I would say it's a 2-person shower. You don't have the seat.
I would not say that. I think it's a little smaller for 2 people, but that's just me.
Hey, come on. It's perfect size.
Okay.
All right. Now,
And then 2 small closets.
2 small closets. But I was thinking about this. If this wall was down as one big closet, we wouldn't even be talking about how small it is. We'd be saying, oh, that's a good sized closet, right? Just because it's split off into 2. Just because the guy gets equal space as the girl does not make it.
I guess with having this wall here, you can put these cubby things on both these walls as opposed to not having a wall there and not being able to put anything on it, right?
Yeah, I have a feeling
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
But I have a feeling that what would end up happening is the guys are gonna get 1 bar and everything else will be.
I don't know. You have a lot of clothes, so I wouldn't talk if I was you.
Yeah, but you know, the t-shirts, you know, they could be whatever. Let's go upstairs, you won't
Okay,
believe it.
let's go.
All right, so here we are. Right here in the landing area is the game room, right? You've got plenty of room for a nice pool table. I love how they brought the beams again right here with that that hunter green, that army green type shiplap, which is really cool. Really good size.
Yeah, it is.
I
a good
love how
size.
it opens up to everything, right? It just feels like a whole other living space.
Yeah.
You know, like you're not in the same. It's just a really cool design. One thing I will point out though is when you have teenagers, they tend to be pretty loud.
They do.
They have their friends up here, they're playing pool, they're being ruckus, and you're downstairs trying to watch TV. Just saying. Ask me how I know.
That's right. Ask us how we know we have a broken glass
Exactly. I
table
was gonna
from
say
a
that
ball
same
coming
thing.
down.
So, you know, just be careful. You know, they show
Yes.
off for
That's all right.
whoever, and balls end up falling over and whatever. But
You digress.
I digress. Let's go into this room.
All right. This is a good size room.
Really good size. I'd say 12 by 14 with its own ensuite. It's got a bathtub and, you know, obviously shower combo. Really good. Closet is about what you would expect in a secondary bedroom.
Yeah.
Not too big, not too small.
Okay.
Okay. And then we will go take a look at the 2 bedrooms on the other side.
All right.
So let's start right here, bedroom. Again, another, I'd say, a little oversized bedroom. Does not have a bathroom,
No.
but it does have this closet, which is the same size as all the others. Not too big, not too small.
Cute, cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is for that middle child, probably. Come on through. Here's the bathroom. They have their own sink, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Right? It's sort of a Jack and Jill, but it's not connected. Right? But as you come on through,
Okay, come on through.
now we are in another child's room, front of the house. Again, decent size,
Yeah, good size room.
right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, again, my favorite part. It's the theme
You
of
just like
this
all the
video.
media
I love
rooms.
all the media rooms this video.
You're either media rooms or patios. Those are your thing.
Hey, you know what? In this house, you get both.
Yeah.
You get a great patio and a great media room. But what's nice about this media room is it could be anything you want. It's really a flexible space. Come on
Oh,
through.
yeah,
You've
they've
got
even-
windows here.
They've added another little game area to play board games or cards or whatever.
Yeah, easy to black these out if
Yeah.
you want to make it a true media room.
That's true.
But if not, you can have it set up like this, where they have like a little game area where you can have like a poker table, game table, sectional right here. And this is like an 85-inch TV,
Yeah,
right? So
it's good.
perfect size.
Yeah, I like the built-ins. That's cute.